Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off sound effect on Golf Clash. To enable or disable the sound effect on your Golf Clash game, first of all, launch open the Golf Clash application whether you are using Android or iOS. After you have the app open, from the homepage, go ahead and tap on the gear icon in the top left corner of the main screen. This will bring up the settings menu where you need to tap on Game. Now, look for Sound Effects Volume option. To increase the sound effect or to turn on the sound effect, go ahead and drag the little slider towards the right side. Choose the volume for the sound effect according to your preference, and then you will be able to turn on sound effect on Golf Clash. If you don't want any sound effect whatsoever throughout the gameplay, make sure that you turn off this volume, drag it all the way towards the left, and that way you can also turn off the sound effect volume quickly. Now the game will play with or without sound effects based on your preference. So that is how you can easily turn on and off sound effect in Golf Clash. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.